dealt with vault hunters before.
You killed Wilhelm? Holy hell, Jack doesn't stand a chance.
Wilhelm dropped a power core. Be sure to grab it. My sensors tell me it's one of a kind. If you bring it to Roland, Sanctuary's shields may never need to be
Whoa, never seen a power core like that. The one you got from Reese is nearly burned out. Why don't you bring it back here? We may not have found the vault key, but at least Sanctuary will be safe a little longer, thanks to you. Wow! Bravo! Champagne, cheers, high five, slow clap. You got the damn power core, didn't ya? You've been warned. The kid gloves are coming off. Tighten up the big boy pants because things are gonna get really, really bad for you vault hunters. Sorry, but
Wilhelm nearly defeated the other Vault Hunters a couple of years ago. You have proven yourself to be even stronger than them. Well done.
Might have something for you.
Hey, I got a job for you. A gang of lowlifes is out prospecting for iridium in the Tundra Express. Want you to find out why they're mining the stuff, and I want them dead. Order doesn't matter.
never got stationed anywhere this nice. A new power core? Whoa, that looks like it could keep our... As much as I hate using it, that core you brought us earlier is nearly burnt up. Why don't you pop it out? Shove in that new core you found harder than a shiv into a Truxican sternum. Sorry, old Crimson Lance saying. Okay, I think we're in business. What the hell?
Hey, you know, I think it's finally time to tell you that little secret. Angel's working for me.
Lowering Sanctuary's shields, Jack. Executing phase shift.
That's not a power... The shield! Nicely done, Angel. Now, let's kill ourselves some Vault Hunters. What the hell? Did something just get through the shield? Shield's down, Roland! Oh man, somebody start getting everybody underground!
Everybody, I've got a really bad idea. Scooter, get Sanctuary in the air. Roland, get me some iridium.
Pretty sure we can't do that without killing, I don't know, everyone in the city. It ain't ready to fly, Lily.
You got your order, Scooter! Move!
Meet me in the... Okay, if we cycle the ignition primers... Shoot, it'll get us somewhere.
survived our train ride together because I wanted you to. 5 years ago, Roland and his friends opened the vault because Angel and I tricked them into doing it. Everything you Vault Hunters have ever done, this is all part of my...
I've never used this much. You might want to hang on to something. Sorry, kid. That was an accident. I'll see you on the other side, though, I promise. Hit it, Scooter!
Man, this is one of them moments. Catch a ride!
That's the best you got. A flying city? What could you jumps possibly have that makes you think you've got a chance against me? A siren.
Sup?
Huh.
I know you're angry at me right now, but we don't have a lot of...
I love the way you Vault Hunters just up and trusted Angel. Never occurred to you that she was working for me, did it? I did the same thing to the last 4 Vault Hunters, but I'll be entirely honest. Tricking you guys this time? Way funnier. Hey, thanks for taking the bait and grabbing that power cord. It was hard to concentrate on charging the vault key, what with Roland's buddies attacking my iridium mines.
You'll be able to reconnect with your friends after you get through the fridge.
Captain Bolt!
This one's mine! You'll be rationed! Oh! Ah! Oh! Hell!
We are not... Son of a witch. The door's iced over. Let me help you with that. I've been following Jack's orders from the beginning. Jack modified the power core you found to have a Hyperion network uplink. Through it, I was able to access Sanctuary's defenses and lower them. It was all part of Jack's plan.
vibes. Right on, robot!
5 years ago, I tricked Roland and his friends into opening the vault. I told them it was to protect Pandora from a great evil. That was a lie. Jack knew he could make a fortune off the iridium held within the vault, but he was too much of a coward to open it himself. Through me, he got the vault hunters to do his dirty work. I'm so tired of manipulating people. Without you, Pandora has no hope. You have no reason to trust me, I get that. But if you're going to stop Jack from controlling the warrior...
Hey, killer. I phased the city. No big deal. Find a way back here as quick as you can.
Now that Sanctuary's reappeared, you can use any fast travel station to get back to the Crimson Raiders. I'll mark the nearest one on your Echo device.
Error. Location, Sanctuary. Not found.
Oh no. The phase blast must have taken Sanctuary off the fast travel network. Okay. Head to the iridium extraction plant nearby. I think I know how to get you back to your friends.
It's a fine day, full of opportunity.
You know, I didn't lie to you about everything. You really are the only person who can stop Jack. Roland, Lilith, and Mordecai. He defeated them long ago. They can help you reach him.
But I want to use them both.
In the end, it will be you who brings Jack down. cross the river and steal a supply beacon, we can get Sanctuary back onto the fast travel network. I promise. Little as I'm sure that means right now.
Any Hyperion robot able to terminate a pressure will be awarded with the ability to be proud of the fact that they terminated a pressure.
Let's have some fun!
A dying puppy. A baby in tears. If you receive a statement that elicited any emotional reaction, report to your supervisor for summary instructions.
Why'd you have to attack on my shit?
Noob! Ah! Ah!
Under no circumstances are Hyperion robots to approach the local pressures or
Success.
a reminder to all Hyperion robots. Any and all supply drops launched as pressure attacks will be taken out of your theoretical pay.
Darn. That exploder took out the bridge controls. Find another way across the river.
Loaders, please do not switch to suicide mode until moving from Hyperion machinery.
Success.
That's my
Get up, robot, and you are adequate. A dying puppy. A baby in tears. If the previous
Do you see those lunar supply shots? We need to steal a lunar supply beacon and get the moon base to send you an uncalibrated fast travel unit. You can use that to get Sanctuary back on the fast travel network. Simple. Except not at all.
any bots attempting
Did that thresher just eat the beacon? You'll need to get that back.
Don't be such a dick about it.
You've got the beacon? Good. We can use that to request an uncalibrated fast travel unit on the moon base. You'll need a quiet place to set up the beacon. Head to the town of Overlook. Thanks to Hyperion's mining operations, the people of Overlook suffer from the skull shivers. They won't disturb us.
Angels aren't shaking the city anymore. Silver linings, you know?
I can't believe Jack was controlling the Angel all along. We almost got killed opening the vault, just so he could bring that son of a bitch into power.
Well, now we're almost getting killed just to get him out of power. Nice to know some things never change.
Oh, this is so frustrating. You see, this is what I don't get about you bad guys. You know the hero's gonna win, but you just don't die quickly. Man, example, this one guy in New Haven, right? City's burning, people are dying left and right, yada, yada, yada. This jackhole rushes me with a spoon. A freaking spoon, and I'm dying laughing, right? So I scoop out his stupid little eyeballs with it, and his kids are all, wah! And I can't, he can't see where he's going, he's bumping into stuff, and anyway, I don't know, maybe he had to be there. The moral is, you're a total bitch.
You found Overlook, huh? Used to be a nice little town until Hyperion
Overlook
took
has
over.
once again
Now
eased
everybody
out
there's got the
taxes for
skull
fuel
shivers thanks to
curfew
Jack's
violations.
mining operations.
For the next week,
Poor
the
bastards are
grinder
too
will
sick to
only
leave
be
their
used for
homes.
egregious felonies.
You'll want to
like
set up the
littering
beacon over
or
there.
profanity.
Once the moon base processes our request, you should have a fast travel station. It's transmitting the supply request now. We've just got to wait a few minutes and...
Angel, that's enough. You can stop pretending to help the bad guys now. Angel?
We don't have long until Jack realizes I'm not helping him anymore. Defend that beacon.
Now, if you can't even handle these loaders, you're really gonna disappoint me.
Welcome to Overlook. There's no waiting.
Uncalibrated fast travel station request received. Estimated processing time, 3 to 6 weeks. No. Move some data around, see if I can bump you up in the queue.
Angel, what the hell are you doing?
I've increased your request's priority. T-Bone Junction can live without medical supplies for another few months.
The Hyperion grinder lottery is almost upon us. Mandatory tickets for
Don't screw with a girl and a robot.
You have to repair the beacon. If you don't repair the beacon, the supply request won't go through.
Hyperion congratulates Harriet Gladys on the first win and wishes her luck in choosing which one
Darn it. The lunar engineers denied our request. I'll see what I can do.
Send in the constructors. I want those bastards dead now!
By my command!
Just shut off the moon base's oxygen supply. I expect the engineers will launch your fast travel station very soon.
God damn it, Angel, what are you doing? Those are the bad guys! I'm sending everything I have at you. Everything!
Launching the fast travel station now. Nothing gets results like a death net. It's almost here. Just protect the beacon for another few seconds. The fast travel has landed. Station and get back to Sanctuary.
Angel, you and I are gonna have a serious talk.
Hyperion witnesses life could be much worse.
Nightmares won't
The city may be safe right now, but what happens if Hyperion launches another barrage? We've got no shield.
Good point. Let me get on the Echo.